Samsung A02s battery replacement. First, open mobile back frame with a plastic tool to save the housing from scratches. Once it's open, unscrew the PCB shield and unplug the battery and display flex. Remove the battery with a plastic tool, and here I am using PCB cleaner to soft the battery adhesive. Now fix the new battery and plug in the display and battery flex. Screw back the shield and close the back frame.
Our replacement has been done successfully. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel.